Well, sell these winning products which is the potential of making around $1 million in sales or more. These products I have curated for you guys so that it will help you for making money by selling these winning products. So let us check out these winning products right now. Hey guys, it's Hero Avenger here, professional dropshipper, and let's see today's top 5 winning products that you can sell in right now. Well, before we start, make sure to go down this video and press on the red subscribe button down below for getting the latest dropshipping updates at the first. Well, the first product that I have in the list for you guys is this called Car Scratch Nano Spray, guys. You can see I will give the link of this product in the descriptions as well. So this product helps to remove any kind of scratches. For example, when you are going outside, there will be mud in the cars. You are using cars as well as bike. For this is applicable for everyone. So you can see when you go out in the car, there will be muds, scratches, or mud, small particles will be on the car surface. These products will remove this mud surface as well. So when you go in the water, when you cross the water by your bike or the cars, there will be a small scratch type patches on the car or the bike for the water as well as mud. So when you spray this one with this spray, it will be removed and your car and bike will get cleaned. So this product is a pretty wow product as well as huge problem solver, guys, because for getting this dent painted or anything, this product you have to go, if you are using a car or bike, you have to go outside and you have to pay a lot amount of money to get the dent out, and they will give the car or the bike after 1 day or 2 days. For this product is a huge problem solver, and in the past I have sold some products in the same niche as well. So if you are in the general niche or in the car product niche or in the product niche, usually in the product niche, you can use this product as a winning product. First product, this product has the huge mass market appeal because anyone has the car or bike can use this product. This product is for those guys who has car and the bike. So for the targeting in the Facebook ads, we can do the targeting for the cars or bike owners or something. So this has a huge problem solver first. Next, this product is very much mass market appeal product, and this product can be used for small cars, big cars, so for every kind of car. So this has got a high perceived value product. So you can see this product helps to get the car or the bike safe from the UV rays as well as animal dents as well. So this is a huge problem solver. This is costing around 1.34 to 2.81 USD depending upon the variants and types. You can see there are 3 types of variants here. I guess this is a color or something. You can see if we click here, we can see the pricing. So it is costing only around $1.72, and you can definitely, I am saying this one, guys, definitely can sell this product at around $9.99 or even $15.99 as well. This is a huge price margin you can get from this product, and this is product contains all the 3 conditions required for getting a product to be a winner. First is mass marketability. It is a huge problem solver and a high perceived value product as well. Here is a video that is available. You can just go and download this video. You can use these videos in your product page descriptions as well. So this is the first product that I have in the list for you guys. Well, the second product that I have in the list for you guys is this Hot Warm Woman Plus Size Velvet Winter Leggings Ankle Length Warm Short. The name is pretty huge. You have to change the name as like Winter Leggings for Women or something like that. You have to give the title of this product descriptions as like this. So this is the product. This is a winning product, guys, because it has already got 1,273 orders with 2 reviews right now. So this product is selling up. People are liking this product as this winter time is coming up. So this product can be a huge problem solver and very it has the high mass market product, because every clothing brand has their own audiences, and for this one you can target women's and all these things, and Clothing brands always sells, guys. For summer there is different kind of clothes, for winter there are different kind of clothes as well. So this is for specially for winter time product. So now it is winter is coming up, so you should start selling this product right now. So this has got 1273 orders. We can target this one for the women's, and the quality of this product is pretty good. You can see it has already got 1273 orders. This means people are liking it and people are getting people are purchasing. There are different kind of variants. You can see small, medium, large, XL, double XL, and triple XL here. So if I scroll up a little bit, there are different variants, colors that are available. You can see, I guess it is black, blue, brown, light brown, velvet, and different kind of red colors are available here. For this is the second variant product that I have for you in the list, because that you can start selling in for this winter season right away. Like this video right now so my videos can reach to more awesome people like you, and comment down your name in the comment section, so I will choose any one of you from the comment section, and one of you will get a 10 minutes free call directly with me each and every day. So let's get back to the video game. Well, this is the third product that I have in the list for you guys. This is a denim kind of jeans. You can see woman leggings, Fox denim jeans leggings. So you can just give it a name as this is a branded kind of product, guys. Branded kind of jeans that you can start selling in right now. Women's leggings, you can just give it name as women's leggings jeans or something like that, and start selling this product right away like this. So this has got different kind of shapes. You can see different kind of sizings also. They have given the sizing as well. And why I have chosen this one as a third product, because this are getting sales, guys. You can see this product is getting already have got 1739 orders right now. It has got 1 reviews as well as a 5-star review. That means people are purchasing this product, and you should take a try of this product as well, guys. You can see this product is costing around $7.33. So this is pretty cheap, guys. $7.33. You can sell this one around like 15 or 19.99 USD, or even more like $29.99 as well. But I will suggest you go with the 19.99, then increase the pricing to around $29.99 as well. You can see, if I see here, this is their variants colors that are available here. Different size: small, medium, large, XL, double XL, triple XL, 4XL, 5XL as well. So you can, this is the third product that I have in the list for you guys. You can see some of the pictures that you can take from this one. You can see if you are normal, if you are buying some normal clothings like that, your cloth will look like this. But with this product, your shape size will look like this one, guys. Hope you can see the difference. This is a huge problem solver, mass marketing appeal product, because whoever is wearing have legs, they can use this product for them, and they can take it for, we can market this one for women's product, and we can take this one is for women, and it's got huge mass market appeal. And as these are getting sales, so we should take in consideration that we should start selling this product as well. It has already got 1739 orders. You should start selling this product right now. So this was the my product recommendations for you guys, in the third product recommendations that I have for you guys. Well, the fourth product that I have in the list for you guys is a little bit interesting product. You can see this is the product, guys. So you'll be asking, what is this product? So this is a small doll product. So you can target this one for this product for parents who are having kids or something like that in the Facebook targeting, or can find out some Instagram influencers which have small kids in it. For the kids, you can just target, but I will suggest you go with the Facebook ads for this product, because with Instagram you might not get good amount of item or people who are into this niche or something. You can target this one in the Facebook ads for small kids or parents with toddlers or something like that. You can target in this one. Why I have chosen this product here, you can see this people, small kids, like to make their dolls. They love their dolls very much, so they can send them these clothings, so they can wear their toys, some clothing, so they love to take this one, and this is looking pretty good. So if they see this product, they can choose and they can make them wear this product. And This product is pretty selling, guys. You can see this product has already got 1004 orders. So that means this product has got starting to get traction. So you have to dive into the trend right now. You can start selling this product right away. It has got 64 reviews, guys. You can see there is a 64 reviews with 5-star ratings. That means people are liking these products. You should target this one for parents as well. Only parents with toddlers or who have just got parenting into the parenting or all these things. It has already got 1004 orders. That means it has already proven to sell and started getting tractions. Start selling this product right away, guys. It is costing around $4.39. So this is a huge profit margin. You can just sell it for around 9.99 or 15.99 USD. There are different colors that are available as well: black, violet, dark brown, light brown, and all these kind of colors. Silver color is available here. So this was the fourth product that I have in the list for you guys, that I have curated for you guys, because it has already got 1004 orders. It has got huge mass market appeal. It is kind of a little bit different, interesting product that you can start selling in right now, guys. So this was the fourth product that I have in the list for you guys. Well, the fifth product that I have in the list for you guys is this wireless Bluetooth mini sports headphone. You can see this is the headphone type of people. So nowadays, whenever people are going outside or they're at their home, headphones or earphones has a huge market, because people are taking headphones, carrying headphones everywhere. And some people are there who love to take the branded one, and most of the people are there who don't love to take branded one, because this get stuck, this get damaged pretty soon. So they like to purchase the product from non-branded products. So this, you can sell this one as branded by making your own brand for the branded guys, or you can sell this one at a little bit cheaper price as well, so the people can buy this one. And this product has already got sales. So this is proven to get sales. You can see 1304 orders. This product has already got 1304 orders with 311 reviews with 5-star rating. So people are liking this product. This product is a very good and interesting product that you can start selling in. If you are into electronic store, if you are into your store is into electronic store, you can start selling this product right away. It's cost only around 15.98 USD. So you can pretty sell it around 29.99 USD. For this one product will be very, very good for $29.99 USD price range. You can see this is a wireless. As this is wireless, you can take a little bit more charge for that. This has already got mass market appeal, because there are a lot of people that are interested to buy headphones, or they carry headphones wherever they are going. So this product has a huge mass market appeal here. It has got wow factor and problem solver, because wired headphones creates problem when you're going outside. So wireless, it's a wireless headphones with less pricing, and it has got huge mass market appeal audiences as well. So start selling this product right now. This was the fifth product that I have on the list for you guys. You can see this can be taken out as by voice Siri control for iOS store phones, iOS phones as well, and it will stay around 4 hours for the people who are going outside, who loves to listen music and all these things. So this is a huge problem solver as well as mass marketing appeal product, and is already got sales that is 1300